Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to more of the Pascal paper from the year 2001, put out by the fine folks at the CEMC. So what does this question have to offer for us? Well, the line L crosses the x-axis at -8, 0. The area of the shaded region is 16. What is the slope of the line L? Okay. I'm going to ask for the slope of the line L. So we should probably have some sort of rise over run going on. Well, let's draw this picture for ourselves. We'll get ourselves a brand new piece of paper. Looks like things are mostly taking place in the second quadrant. So we'll draw our y-axis all the way over on the right accordingly. And we have a shaded region. We have our line L, and we have -8, 0. Now, because of this -8, I know that I'm going to have a length of 8 here, and I'm told that my area is 16. Well, 16 is the area. It's 1/2 base times height. Well, let's call the height of this triangle B, because it will actually be the y-intercept of the line. And we'll switch back to black. So it should be 1/2, 8 times B. Well, 1/2 and 2, they're going to cancel out, and we're going to be left with 4B. Dividing by 4 on both sides, we'll get 4B divided by 4 is just B. 16 divided by 4, well, that's 4. So we're going to have a height of this triangle of 4. And actually, let's just take a moment to note this. We have an answer B here of 4. And I think that if you were doing this a little too quickly, and you didn't read that it's the slope of the line that we want, you might have said, well, we want sort of the other intercept, because we've got the x-intercept here. You might be tempted to say, aha, I calculated a 4, I got it, let's move on, the answer is B. When in fact, I don't think the answer is 4. Okay. Now, depending on how comfortable you are with the concepts of rise over run, you might just say, well, we move over to the right by 8 and up by 4, so it should be slope is the rise over the run, so it should be 4 over 8, which will be 1/2. Or if you're not that comfortable, you can say, well, what's the x-intercept here? It's going to be, well, 4 up. Or sorry, not x-intercept, y-intercept, and it should be at 0, 4. And if you want to, you can do the difference in the the y-coordinates over the difference in the x-coordinates. But either way, you're still going to get that answer of 1/2. Okay? So our slope is going to be 1/2. For every 2 we go over, we go up by 1. And that should be one of the answers. There it is, it's A. Now I notice, just talking again here, C is -1/2. But we can actually rule out all the negative numbers right away because our line is going up and to the right, not down and to the right. Okay? Up and to the right, that's a positive slope. Down and to the right, that's a negative slope. So just without even doing any calculations, we know that C and E are out. And so that narrows it down to a pick of A, B, or D. So if you needed to, you could take a 1 out of 3 guess. But we did a little extra math, and we know our answer is going to be A. Alright, good question. Join me in the next video for question number 16, and I'll see you guys then.